Unlock your potential today at skillbakery.com.
Welcome to this video on the strategic architecture for modern AI applications. We will explore the critical choices developers face when navigating the complex landscape of today's foundation models. The AI market is saturated with hundreds of models, ranging from free downloadable options to paid API services. Before writing code, developers must choose between two distinct ecosystems. To understand these ecosystems, look at the AI development cycle: education through training data, the storage of internalized knowledge and model weights, and the final application of problem solving during inference. The core difference between these two paths is access. With open source, you own and manage the model weights on your hardware. With closed source, you rent remote access, keeping the internal details private. The open source ecosystem, inspired by projects like Linux, makes components public. This allows developers to study, modify, and deploy models like Llama or Mistral directly, often via platforms like Hugging Face. Conversely, the closed source ecosystem functions like a proprietary machine. You get powerful features from models like GPT-4 or Claude, but you cannot access or modify the underlying architecture or weights. This impacts data routing. Local routing keeps data entirely within your infrastructure, whereas cloud routing sends sensitive queries to a provider's remote servers for processing. This diagnostic matrix highlights the trade-offs: ownership, customization, and privacy, versus the cost and performance advantages that define each ecosystem's place in your architecture. Choosing total ownership brings freedom from vendor lock-in, but adds the significant burden of infrastructure maintenance, requiring expertise in hardware, quantization, and security. Alternatively, closed-source models offer absolute convenience, removing infrastructure headaches. However, this creates a dependency on an internet connection and risks escalating costs as usage grows. Many modern organizations now adopt a hybrid architecture. By using an intelligent router, they can balance workloads, sending complex logic to the cloud while keeping trivial tasks local. To determine your path to production, plot your requirements. High privacy needs may point to private clouds or local models, while speed to market often favors closed-source APIs. Understanding this divide is just the first step. The true value lies in building, and you can start exploring powerful models today using tools like Hugging Face JS for minimal setup.
If you find the video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.